you have two different profiles. So I'm going to walk you through both of those profiles and explain the importance of both of them and show you where you can edit them. So the first one is your marketing profile. So in the top right corner of your screen, you're going to click your name and then click on Settings. And then on the left side, you're going to click Connect Settings and then Marketing Profile. So this profile is basically what it sounds like. It's used for any marketing needs. So any information that's on this profile is going to display on things like your Keller Williams mobile app, your website, in the Designs app. When you're creating designs, it's going to allow you to easily access the information from it. In the Campaigns app of Command, when you're running a campaign, it's going to pull information from here. So that's just another beautiful thing about Command, that everything happens within the same system. So you only have to enter that information one time. So a lot of this information will already be filled out for you. Typically, I will do that when I am setting up a new agent in the system. One thing you may notice, if you did not have a headshot when you joined, which that's very common, then there might be a KW logo here in place of your photo. So once you have your headshot, I can help you resize that, or if you're watching this while I am out of the office, then another staff member can help you out with that and get that resized, because it does recommend a specific size here, and they're very particular about that. So if it is larger than that, it will typically upload and look kind of distorted. So just let a member of the staff know that you need assistance with that. And then take time to go through here and fill in any information that was not already here for you. A bio is super important just to have, because that's going to help people that don't know you potentially connect with you. So no, not everyone that visits your website is going to read it, but you never know who will. And so take some time to write a real estate bio for yourself. That will also come in handy in the other profile that we talk about after this. So make sure you have accurate contact information here. The company logo, once it's uploaded here, it will look a bit distorted when you're looking at it on this screen, but just know when you are on your website or anything like that, it will actually look perfectly normal. So don't be concerned about that by any means. Market Center information will go here. Below that, the legal footer should already be there for you. And then we do not need to use legal footer links or images, so you can skip over those. So then down at the bottom, this is where you'll put links to your social media profiles. So this is where you typically want to link your business pages. So Facebook business page, business Instagram, whatever profiles you use. That might be just one. That might be just Facebook, and that's perfectly fine. A lot of times you won't have these all set up right now, and so this is really just kind of like an overview, so you know when you do have those set up, where to come back and edit them. And then if you have made any changes, just make sure that you save here at the bottom. Also, always make sure that this little toggle right here is turned on. It's green. That means it's using that information to brand your site and your mobile app, so that's very important. The second profile that you have is your KW Connect profile. So while this one that we've just gone over is client facing, so it's out to the public, this other one we're going to look at, when you click your name again and click profile, is Keller Williams facing. So it's just visible to anyone in the Keller Williams ecosystem. So here you will have similar information. It's much shorter though. If you click to edit your profile on the right, this is where you'll put all the information in. So you can add service areas. Again, you can add your bio. So I mentioned that this would come in handy for this profile. And the reason is this profile is actually really important for potential referrals. So if you are looking for, say, someone to send a referral to in another state, Keller Williams has created a Referrals app within Command where you can go on and you can search anywhere in the country and find an agent. And You can look at these things by production. Sometimes you can just browse their bios, though. You can browse their profiles. And so, a lot of times, someone may be looking for an agent in our area, and maybe they read something in your bio that um, they realize, clicks with their client, similarities. Their client loves to golf and you love to golf, or their client is a teacher and maybe you used to teach prior to your real estate career, things like that. So, this is where a bio can be really important as well. It can be something that gets you a potential referral, and that's a great other source of income in the real estate business. Then below that, you can put your Facebook links, Twitter, Instagram, basically any social media that you use. Also, make sure you are opted in to the referral network. That should be by default, but just make sure that's green. And then you can choose any of these that you would like to display here on your profile. So you can turn those on now or later. Then make sure when you have done any changes, you save changes at the bottom. And then that will update your profile. You can update the image at the top by hovering over it and clicking Change Banner Photo. I do recommend changing that from the one that is by default there, because it is, I think, like the Austin skyline. And so even just having an updated photo, whether it's something local or looks like it's something local, it just shows that you have put in the effort to kind of edit this profile in here. And that also can speak volumes for potential referrals being sent to you too. And to update your photo, because you want to make sure everybody can see your face, you can just click over here on this circle and click to change your profile photo. So if you haven't uploaded it yet, then that's where you can upload it there. So those are your two different profiles. Make sure that you have those completed so that all of your marketing information is accurate in both places. And then just keep in mind where these profiles are so that if you need to make any edits at any other time, you know where to access them.